Hi everyone, this is Diana with Mirapath, and we're doing a thought leader series. And today I have Jawahar from Raritan and Brand Legrand. Welcome, Jawahar.
Thank you.
Jawahar is the Director of Power Solutions at Raritan, which means he knows everything about power.
That's what you say.
I know him, so I know that to be true. Anyway, Jawahar, can you tell us a little bit about some of the important trends in our industry that we're seeing now?
Yeah, the data center industry is evolving so fast that it's hard to consolidate all the different trends that we see today. But if I should focus on one thing, I would say the need to do more with less is a theme that recurs in our interactions with customers.
Right. Yeah, we hear that a lot from our customers as well. So how does that affect the way that Raritan designs and builds and your technology?
Absolutely, it does. So it impacts how we design our products from the ground up, because we need to make sure these are extremely reliable, that can live as long as the data center can, and we also make it extremely easy to use, so you can spend the least amount of resources you have and time to manage and monitor these. Lastly, we also try to make these future-proof, as much future-proof as possible.
Right. So that kind of ties into what I saw about the iX7, because it's a very powerful brains of the power ship. I would say that. Yeah.
Yeah, the iX7 is an extension of our excellent platform that we have that we've had for several years now. What the iX7 brings to the customers is an extremely reliable technology platform where they can extend the life of the power strip in the data center. We tend to follow the technology curve of the servers and switches rather than the infrastructure, which goes at a much slower pace.
Right. Yeah, that's really interesting, because I never thought about that, about the power, following the compute cycles as opposed to the infrastructure cycles, because that changes everything in some ways, right?
Very much.
Right. What would you say, and which leads to this other question about, what would say, a lot of our customers, you probably encounter that, think of power in the cabinet as a commodity. So how would you address that or talk about it?
That's true. We hear that quite a bit as well. So what we try to do is to show them the value that a truly intelligent power strip can bring to them. We can show them all the data that it can provide so that the customers can make the most informed decisions based on the data that they have, whether it's planning their next data center or their next move, or just maximizing what they have today.
Right. So I'm going to ask you a series of questions. Just pick whatever comes to mind first, right?
Right.
So outlet monitoring or outlet switched?
Outlet switching.
Branch reading or line reading?
Branch reading.
Aluminum or steel?
Aluminum.
First word that comes up when you think about Mirapath?
Trusted.
I saw some hesitation. Last question. Tell us, something unique about you, or people that you work with, your customers might not know about you.
I would say after this preparation that we had here, maybe I'll consider a career in acting.
The key word is consider, perhaps. We don't want to lose you in the power industry. So, well, thank you, Jawahar, for sharing your thoughts with us today. Follow us on LinkedIn, on Twitter, Raritan and Mirapath. Again, thanks for joining us.